Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really powerful that can completely change the way you create videos using AI. We're talking about Magiclight, an all-in-one AI video creation tool that lets you generate high-quality videos with just one prompt. So let's get started and see how it works step by step. First, open your browser and go to the official Magiclight website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a simple sign-up option. You can register using your email or log in directly with Google. After signing up, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all the AI tools are available. Before we create a video, let me quickly explain what makes this tool special. With Magiclight, you can create videos up to 60 minutes long using just one prompt. It's an all-in-one platform, so you don't need multiple tools. It also supports over 20 different visual styles and more than 10,000 AI characters. It's especially powerful for YouTube videos and kids' story content. Now here's something very important and new. Magiclight is launching a feature called Asset Library. This feature allows you to build your own video templates, reuse them anytime, and even monetize them to earn money. Yes, this means your creativity can become a source of income. You can create templates, upload them to the asset library, and other users can use them. Now let's create a video. Go to the Create Video section and enter your prompt. This could be a kid's story or any YouTube video idea. Next, choose your video style. You can select from options like Disney style, 3D cartoon style, and many more. For better results, I recommend using Disney or 3D cartoon style because they're more engaging and work well for viral content. Then select your video length. You can even create videos up to 60 minutes long. After that, click Generate. Watch how Magiclight completely transforms the vibe of the room within seconds. With its rich colors, smooth transitions, and modern glow, it creates the perfect atmosphere for gaming, relaxing, or making your setup stand out. It's not just a light, it's a whole experience that brings energy and style to any space. Magiclight will automatically create your full video with scenes, characters, voice, and animation. At this point, you can show your generated video on screen. This is where viewers really see the power of Magiclight. Finally, this is how you can easily create professional videos using Magiclight. No editing skills needed. No complicated software, just one tool and one prompt.
The morning sun pierces through the heavy canopy, casting long, golden beams across the mossy forest floor. From a dense thicket, a small white rabbit emerges. Its paws press firmly into the damp, cool earth. It pauses, ears twitching at the subtle rustle of distant leaves, sensing the ancient woods breathing around it. The camera tracks low, following the rabbit as it weaves through tall, swaying grass that brushes softly against its white fur. Every movement is a careful dance between shadow and light, a quiet exploration of a world just waking up. Sunlight dances on the rabbit's back, highlighting the fine texture of its coat as it stops to sniff a cluster of vibrant, translucent wildflowers. The rabbit tilts its head, its dark eyes reflecting the shifting patterns of light filtering through the high branches. As it moves forward, dust particles drift lazily in the air like tiny diamonds. The path ahead begins to change. The vegetation pulses with a faint, rhythmic blue glow. The rabbit approaches a large, crystalline plant. Its whiskers brush against glowing petals as the plant releases a soft, magical mist. The rabbit stands on its hind legs, mesmerized by the shimmering spores. Moving deeper into the heart of the forest, the environment grows increasingly ethereal. Bioluminescent vines spiral around towering trees like veins of living light. The rabbit hops over a fallen log, its movements fluid and deliberate, maintaining a steady pace through this glowing labyrinth. The camera shifts to a close-up, capturing the rabbit's steady breathing and its focused, wide gaze. This is no longer the forest it knew. The air is thick with wonder. Suddenly, the woods open up. The cool blue light begins to shift, transforming into a warm, radiating gold that spills from a hidden grove ahead. The journey is reaching its destination. The rabbit slows its pace, walking toward the very center of this brilliance. The trees part to reveal a sunset trapped within the forest, casting a brilliant, warm glow over the entire landscape. The rabbit stops, framed against the intense golden light. Its silhouette is softened by the shimmering atmosphere. It takes a final few steps toward the horizon of the grove, the light wrapping around its small form like a silent embrace. As the rabbit reaches the edge of the world, this scene gently fades into a soft haze, leaving the forest in a peaceful, eternal glow.
And don't forget the Asset Library feature, which can help you earn money by sharing your templates. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments what type of video you want to create using AI next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.